You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words that sound exactly the same. They have very different meanings, but their pronunciations are exactly the same. They are what's called homophones, and both pronounced as step. The top word is a region in physical geography, grassland, plains, step. The bottom word is when you just walk, you take a step, or steps. So both pronounced as step. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.